In this lesson video, we will first introduce similar triangles and then learn the rules for similar triangles, and using these rules then we will practice 4 examples to list corresponding angles and sides for a given pair of similar triangle, and then we will practice 5 examples to find whether enough information is given to decide if a given pair of triangle is similar or not. Two triangles is congruent if they are completely identical. That is, if we impose one triangle on another triangle, it will completely match. That means all 3 arms are equal, all 3 angles are equal. But two triangles can be similar, although not congruent, that is not identical, but they can be similar. Two triangles are similar if they have equal angles, but their arms are not equal but maintain a constant ratio. That is, if we expand a triangle or shrink a triangle, the triangles does not remain congruent, that is identical, but they remain similar. So two triangles are similar if they satisfy one of the following 3 conditions. Let us see what are the conditions. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding 3 angles are equal. 2 angle equal means definitely other angle will be equal. Say ABC and PQR. ABC is a smaller triangle, PQR is larger triangle, so they are not congruent. Their arms lengths are not equal, but their shapes are similar, and that can be checked if their angles, this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Here it is shortly wrote as AAA. That means if 3 angles are equal, then two triangles are similar, although they are not identical, they are not congruent, but they are similar. And why it is wrote 2 angles? Because if 2 angles of a triangle of between 2 triangles are equal, the third one definitely will be equal. Second condition under which two triangle can be similar is their side lengths ratio. Say AB, its corresponding side length say PQ, BC, its corresponding side is QR, and AC, its corresponding side length is PR. So that means AB, its length is L1, its corresponding side is PQ, this is L1. If we take the ratio L1 division, that is small L1 division capital L1, and if we take this corresponding sides ratio L2 and L2, that is small L2 division capital L2, and this corresponding side L3 division L3, if this ratio remain constant, that is same for all 3 arms, then the triangles are similar. So this property will say, considering sides are in the same ratio or proportion, so PPP, that means 3 sides, 3 corresponding sides, this is this one ratio this one, this one ratio this one, and this one ratio this one, they are keeping the same proportionality or ratio. So this condition we will call it PPP. And third condition is 2 sides in the same ratio and their included angles are equal. That means say AB is one side, its corresponding side is PQ, BC is another side, its corresponding side is QR, that is L2. So their ratio L1 by L1, there is small L1 by capital L1, that is this side ratio its corresponding side, this side ratio its corresponding side, they are equal, and their included angle, that is the corresponding sides, these 2 sides, their ratio are equal, and their included angle, this is their included angle, they are equal. Then two triangle will be similar. So this condition will say proportion, that is side, proportion, angle, side, proportion, angle, proportion. This is one side proportion, angle equal, and then this proportion equal. So we will call it proportion, angle, proportion. So under 3 circumstances we can check that whether two triangles are similar or not. One is three angles are equal. Another is corresponding arms ratio, three arms ratio, that is proportion is equal, or two arms corresponding two arms proportion is equal, and their included angles are equal. Then we can say two triangles is similar.